So we have seen this trend in inflation coming down 10.1% for the month of June. And of course, we've also seen on a month-on-month basis inflation increasing. What are your expectations for the inflation figure out tomorrow?
What we are expecting for tomorrow is that the inflation for July would be generally unchanged at about 7.3%.
So you're expecting inflation to come back further?
Yes, because when you look at the inflation, we expect the inflation to continue on a little bit of a downward trend as the last year's increase in most group fallouts of the annual comparison. But we will close this year at just above the Bank of Botswana inflation target of about 3 to 6% because of possible increases in international oil prices and administered prices, levies, among others.
So that, of course,
we therefore forecast information to close this year at around 6.2%, though, before falling within the Bank of Botswana objective in about 2013.
Yeah, let's shift attention to the banking sector because Bank ABC, we are expecting first half results out from that bank and, of course, kicking off the financial reporting season. Firstly, what are your thoughts on the numbers we're going to see from the bank, especially in light of the fact that they've just had that successful rights issue of $50 million that was raised?
Yes, and then also the company wants to actually recapitalize in terms of their operations. And then they were also planning on trying to raise about 75 to 100 million with two-tier equities. So we are hopeful that the company will bring out a good set of results.
And also looking to raise a further, they say up to $100 million. So that, of course, would be double what they were able to raise at this point in time. What is the market reaction to that? Of course, it will take its total issue to $150 million. Does the market continue to support management in the utilization of this new capital?
Yes, because what they are probably planning to do is that they will not obviously they're not going to say, okay, maybe we want to issue extra shares, but they would be using funds such as the reserves and also general provisions to actually try and raise the funds. And we think that's actually because it's actually good because they will be able to take advantage of any opportunities that could arise and as well as adequately recapitalize their operations.
Tshepiso, thank you so much for joining us today. Tshepiso Bakwadi, rather, joining us from Motswedi Securities. Of course, we are waiting those results from Bank ABC.